Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LT. Comes equipped with 6.6-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other might included such as radar mud champ tires, armed off-road wheels, sprayed bed liner, heated cloth bucket seats, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom here. Speakers at the bottom as well. And that'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as the child lock. We also use black rolling boards here as well. And onto the interior, it's going to have these cloth heated bucket seats, both power adjustable, super comfortable. Left side, you'll have your trailer brake controller, as well as the 2 and 4-wheel drive and lighting controls. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges here, your depth fluid, transmission fluid, trailer brake, pitch and roll, all that fun stuff, as well as audio, phone connectivity, OnStar navigation, and you got other settings as well. Classic key, classic column truck shifter. Onto the infotainment system, pretty straightforward. You got your Bluetooth connectivity. You can sign up for OnStar navigation with downloadable apps, and as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and My Chevrolet, and a CD player as well. Dual zone climate control. Below that, you're going to have your bed lamps, as well as the hill descent control and the exhaust brake. 2 USB ports, 2 12 volts, as well as an AC wall charger. So in the center console, lots of extra storage. Of course, you lift this up, you're going to have 2 more USB ports with more storage inside. Passenger side, like I said, same finish, heated cloth, power adjustable as well. You're going to have the double glove box, speakers and vents up top, and then huge access reading lamps and sunglass case holder. You're going to have these 20-inch blacked out armed off-road wheels on radar mud champ tires. You're going to have the Duramax and Allison badging, the HD, the trailering mirrors as well. Coming to the back, Z71 package, so you're going to have the off-road suspension, as well as you're going to have the chrome corner step bumper, the trailer hitch on the bottom, big exhaust. And to the back here, you're going to have the sprained bed down, as well as the hitch points. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage. Again, you got the built-in cup holders with the speakers, power windows. We hop back, it's a crew cab, so lots of extra legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear storage and a 12-volt DC port. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Seats fold up for more storage. Lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LT. Comes equipped with a 6.6-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as a Z71 package, trailer brake controller, trailering mirrors, as well as mud champ tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.